Welcome to the discussion of stock market. As we focus on the topic of stock markets, here we look into the Indian stock market deeply. As an emerging superpower, India has an upper hand opportunity over China due to the size of the economy and consumer base after China and the geopolitical problems with China all over the world, which widened after COVID-19. So this is biggest consumer audience market can generate high growth. Here one who would like to uplift his or her economic condition would focus on the listed companies in the Indian stock market, which provides a handful of opportunities to them to invest and get return handsomely. For that, we should understand the companies first and their focused area of business, their market share, performance, growth rates, etc. Investing in stocks is another investment arm like other investments, that is, real estate investments, bank FTs, chitties, gold, etc. But what makes stock investments different than others is the higher risk involved in it. On the other hand, it provides you higher return as well than other investments. So we need to be more people to come and explore stock market. So I would like to welcome to all to Dense Stocks and Business. On Wednesday, indices of Indian stock market, which is NSE Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex, closed in losses. Nifty 50 closed minus 35% and Sensex closed minus 45% respectively. On Wednesday, market opened in losses and continued the losing trend later the period in the market hours. Even though it shows slight recovery from the losses, it ended in red on that day. The news from the pharma company called AstraZeneca, which was on the development of COVID-19 vaccine development, was on hold, made a bad impression in the market, which drags the stock market down. Also, geopolitical issues between India and with China to add the blades. Indian market had witnessed a slight recovery, even other Asian markets fall down on the basis of positive opening of the European market. Especially banking stores were the most affected on Wednesday. These heavy losses drags down the entire sector of the index as well. Main focused events in the market was the IPO. IPO means initial public offer, which is conducting to raise the money from the public by companies. There are two companies had finished the IPO in this week, which were Happiest Minds Technologies Limited and Root Mobile. Both of them subscribed overwhelmingly in the market. India Bulls Housing Finance launched QIP. It means Qualified Institutional Payments with bus size of $60 million, the floor price of rupees 206.7 per share. On the other hand, Hexabad has opened the delisting offer on Wednesday. The stock price was on Wednesday 421.65. The market was bounced back on Thursday and covered the last 2 days' losses. NSE Nifty was closed with plus 1.52% gain and BSE Sensex closed plus 1.69% gain respectively. Smart rally in Reliance Industries helped the market a lot on Thursday. According to Fitch Ratings, stake sale future group asset acquisition to boost Reliance retail business. Again, we have another news about Indiabulls Housing Finance. It sells part stake in Oak North Holdings. The insurance regulator IRDAI seek GST rate cut on life health insurance premiums to the government. Coming on the Friday, the market ends flat, especially mid caps and small caps outperform the BSE indices. Nifty 50 gained 0.13% gain and BSE Sensex gained 0.04% gain as respectively. The market remained cautious about adverse news flows of COVID-19 vaccine trials, an increase in Sino-Indian geopolitical tensions, and a sharp sell-off in US equities. The company called HCL Tech joined hands with the NVDI Partner Network. As we discussed, the delisting process of Hexaware Technology started on Wednesday. The shares of Hexaware Tech traded in the red after falling over 4% after promoter HT Global IT Solutions Holdings availed $600 million by pledging more than 18 core shares of the company.